Dear friends, today I'm going to show you the way I germinated cocoa seed and propagated the chocolate plant. How to grow cocoa beans. Cocoa trees need great attention. They need protection from sun and wind, which is why they grow vigorously in warm rainforests. Growing cocoa trees require mimicking these conditions. If you don't live in tropical climates, it may be grown under warm and humid conditions in a greenhouse, but may require more vigilant cocoa tree care. To start a tree, you will need seeds that are still in the pod or have been kept moist since their removal from the pod. If they dry out, they lose their viability. It's not unusual for the seeds to begin sprouting from the pod. If your seeds have no roots yet, place them between damp paper towels in a warm area until they begin to root. I have got 3 pots of cocoa plants where I kept for some days at home to get it dry. Gently break the pots with a sharp object. A broken pod will bring 30 to 50 cocoa beans inside. The cocoa tree's botanical name is Theobroma Cacao, which means food of the gods in Greek. The cocoa tree grows to about 30 feet tall, bearing white flowers and colorful fruit. It takes a cocoa tree about 5 years to produce its first fruit, otherwise known as a cocoa pod. Collect all the cocoa beans and wash with normal water to remove all the fleshy parts which cover the beans inside the pod. Dry with a cotton towel to remove all the excess water. Keep in the sunlight for some time. The potted mix is cocoa peat and compost. Mix both ingredients well and keep inside a flat pot and make holes 1 inch apart, then put the beans inside and cover with the soil as a membrane on top. It takes a week to sprout the beans, and see my 1-month-old plant. These 1-month-old plants are replanted to separate grow bags and kept in an open area with more sunlight and enough watering. It takes about 5 years for the tree to bear fruit, has a peak growing period of 10 years, but can extend for decades. Cocoa pods take 4 to 5 months to grow, several weeks to ripen, and are cut from the tree with a sharp blade. See my 2-year-old cocoa plant still waiting for the fruit pods containing beans. I will update the growth of my cocoa plant in my future videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to find me again with my new videos.